Hi everyone, this is Instructor Oliver, and this is a short presentation on our ICD-10 CM Coding Manual. This is the largest book received within your book package. It consists of many different sections that when used together will help you form a complete and accurate code for diagnoses reporting purposes. ICD-10 diagnosis codes are published by the World Health Organization, otherwise known as the WHO. The book is updated with new, deleted, and revised codes every year on October 1st. The codes found within the manual are used to identify a patient's reason for being seen and/or receiving medical services, also known as a diagnosis. It's important to familiarize yourself well with this book, although it might seem a bit intimidating at first, as it is one of the most important references a medical coder will use on an almost daily basis throughout their career. The ICD-10 book is full of information to help a coder when assigning a code. Although there are many important areas to this book, I'd like to discuss the 6 that seem to be the most utilized. The first would be the official coding guidelines found in the beginning section of the book. The guidelines offer a set of rules that can assist both the healthcare provider and the coder to identify diagnoses that are to be reported. The second section would be the neoplasm table. This table assists the coder to achieve the best code when reporting neoplasms based on stage and anatomical site. The table is broken down into 6 categories of choices: malignant primary, malignant secondary, cancer in situ, benign neoplasm, uncertain behavior, and unspecified behavior. The third section is the table of drug and chemicals. This section consists of different substances which are broken down into 6 categories: poisoning, accidental, unintentional, poisoning, intentional self-harm, poisoning, assault, poisoning, undetermined, adverse effect, and underdosing. The fourth section is the external cause index. This is where external causes of injuries can be found. The fifth would be the index section, which is the first place a coder goes to find the code. The index section is in alphabetical order by disease condition. Once a code or category of a code is found and chosen in the index, it must then be verified in the tabular section of the ICD-10 book. The tabular section then becomes our 6th section. This section, to me at least, is the most important area of the book. This is where a coder can review notes regarding a specific code choice and see if any additional characters or placeholders are needed to complete a code. This section of the book should be thoroughly reviewed as it holds many notes that can help a coder when searching for a code. Make sure to pay attention to all the colors used in all the different areas and the legends on the bottom of each page. Also familiarize yourself with each chapter and color. Having a good idea of how to maneuver this book will help you find the best, most specific code available. Happy coding!